right, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and what better way to get into the holiday spirit than with spirits? So here to show us how to make some festive seasonal drinks is Tim Sweeney, one of our favorites. He's the head bartender at Pebble Bar. If you're ever here in New York City, stop by Rockefeller Center. It is the spot, and he is the man.
And you can sample all these yourself.
So good. Good morning.
What are we starting with?
Thank you so much, y'all.
This first one is my jam. It's called the State of Grace.
This is a special one for me.
Right? I know. Here, just let me bathe me in it.
I know how much you love bourbon. I saw it the other day during his coronation right here. This one's a special one for me because it's named after my little sister, whose name is obviously
Grace.
No, her name is State.
Shut up, Tim.
Grace Sweeney from Madison, Wisconsin. So this one's for her. It's a cinnamon, mango, bourbon, Aperol cocktail in there.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is
So
like my new best friend.
Oh, I thought you didn't like bourbon, though.
Oh, this
We don't even have to do the rest.
All right, you use the right bourbon in it. We use like a Jefferson's bourbon in this. It's gorgeous. It's got summer and fall kind of all put together with the cinnamon and all
God,
that.
that's good.
This is very
great.
So what's in it?
I tried. So we have lemon, we have cinnamon, we have Aperol, we have mango, we have bourbon, and a little bit of orange bitters to go with it like that.
Mango puree?
Mango puree.
So all of
You
this
can dump it all in there if you like.
Yes, sir. And you said Jefferson's is your choice for this?
Jefferson's is our choice for this, yes.
Okay.
And bourbon, not rye. I don't even think Jefferson's does a rye, do they?
Oh, they actually do. They do Jefferson's Ocean Rye.
That's right.
Yeah.
What's this red stuff?
Yeah, that is Aperol, so you get that bitterness to it. You can kind of taste that on the back end. You want to do this whole thing? Let's do it. All right. Don't get it on your beautiful jacket.
Although it would match.
Craig, it's been a big week for both of us. You were named anchor, and the Packers beat the Bears on a blocked field goal, so I think we're kind of even on this one. All right, we're going to move it down.
All right, what's next?
Okay, this one might ruin your palate for everything else, but what we have, this resembles a certain cookie sold by Girl Scouts. I don't know if I am allowed to say the name, but I think we all know what I'm talking about here.
What you mean?
Thin Mint.
Yes,
We
I'm
can
sure
say
there's
Thin
mint
Mint.
We can
involved.
say Thin Mint. Okay, we're saying Thin Mint, so it's absolutely fine.
I thought it was the Samoa.
We don't want to run out of time.
This is like a grasshopper and a brandy Alexander put together. You got cacao, you got creme de menthe, you got cream, you got brandy. Little tough to drink on there.
This is delicious.
Yeah,
I'm
this is
lactose
excellent.
intolerant, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, no one told
Nobody
me.
wants that.
Is there milk or cream or what is
There is
that?
cream in there. So.
Okay.
Do you want to try zhuzhing the cacao on top of it?
Yes, I do.
Go from really high. Yeah.
Oh,
make it
nice.
rain.
Whoops.
You know what?
Making it a mess.
cacao.
Whoops.
Well, it's
Sorry.
for a photo shoot, so it's perfect. It has that great spray.
Right, there we go.
Now we're going to move on to that beautiful red cocktail
Okay.
here. It's somewhere between a spicy strawberry margarita and a strawberry daiquiri put together. I know this is holiday cocktails, but, you know, Cinco de Mayo is a holiday, so let's do that,
that's
right?
true.
Oh, this is good.
Then I made it wrong. You know what? We're going to live with that.
What's in this one?
So we have rum and tequila, which is not a common combo, really, on that one.
That's another win.
Yeah, it's almost my occupation,
and
you know?
it's spicy.
So, yeah, it's got a little bit of spice there on the back end. Too spicy?
Wow. No. I love
All right. Yeah, no.
And
try
not
to
too
get
sweet either.
See, it's a perfect balance, you know? That's what, 5 years I worked on this cocktail in a lab. And
Did you
finally
make it? Oh, shoot,
yummy.
we're almost out of time.
We're almost out of time?
Did you make that one?
Of course I made this one.
Okay.
What's this last
This
one,
one.
Tim?
We'll do it. This one is a Gold Rush mixed with ginger ale. So,
wait,
you know,
what?
it's like, yeah, it's a
Gold
whiskey ginger kind of mixed with the Gold Rush. You got honey, you got lemon, you got Tennessee whiskey, you got ginger ale. It's a super easy one to make. They make this one at Ray's hometown bars in town, so that's why it's called Ray Charles.
Oh, wow.
We also have State of Grace. It's called Gracing the Lily. It's at the Broken Shaker right now, so it's moving around. It's finding its way throughout New York.
The cocktails tour.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love
you
that.
know,
Tim,
I mean,
you
if they put enough
always-
money in my back pocket, I'd do it.
You always bat 1,000, Tim.
Well, thank you so
I know,
much,
and
y'all.
I'm like, I can't
Someday I'm
walk
going to
around.
get something that you spit out.
I can't walk around with both, but I
It's
love
just
them
hard
both.
drinking them all at once.
For these
At 9
recipes,
For you, I'm a professional, you know.
For these recipes, scan the QR code or head to today.com/food. It's so worth it to get even more recipes and set up your free account to save them.
Well done, Tim.
Yum.
Pebble Bar, baby.
We'll be right back.